Calliope Mori is say-so as hell. Callie is cute as hell. Cute as hell. Oh. Positive or negative? Either. Positive, negative, both okay. Okay? Positive and negative. For example, Calliope Mori is say-so as hell. But Calliope Mori is you guys don't say bad things about myself. Okay. New example. These penguins are cute as hell. But these penguins are these penguins are bad as hell at video games. Wait, no. ちょっと待って。Smelly. Noisy. These penguins are cute as hell. But these penguins are noisy as hell. Noisy as hell. And bad smell. These penguins are stinky as hell. Yucky. New alarm.